Okay, let's go to the File menu and open Excel Expert Working for the last time. And let's click on the Bonus tab and select cells A4 to D11. And let's go to the Insert menu, Chart, and we'll accept all the defaults by clicking Finish. Now let's go down to the Start menu and get PowerPoint started. There we go. Okay, let's select Blank Presentation. Let's close the help. And OK. Now let's click the Chart option here, the fourth layout on the second row, and OK. And now click the Excel button on the taskbar, and with the chart selected, let's go to the Edit menu and copy. We could just click the copy button, but we'll show you that you can do it this way as well. And now let's go back to PowerPoint and right click on the slide chart area and paste, and we can resize our chart as we need it. It's just about the right size anyway, but let's just show that you can do it. And now we'll double click on the chart and then right click on the chart background area, and let's select 3D column chart, and we want the one at the bottom. That's 3D column chart, and OK. And let's move this chart toolbar out of the way so we can see the title area. I'm going to click in it and type 2000 to 2002 sales. And then let's click outside of the box to see the effect. Very nice, but now we can close PowerPoint, and we're not going to use that again, so we don't need to save it. And now let's start Word. And let's click on the Excel button on the taskbar and go to Edit, Copy. The chart's still selected. We're copying the chart. And let's go to Microsoft Word and go to the Edit menu. And this time let's select Paste Special. Let's find it first, Paste Special. And check the Paste Link option and OK. And now we can bring up Excel again and close it. And we want to save any changes. Yes. This time we'll save the changes. Now double click on the chart. And from this drop down list, let's select Legend on the chart toolbar, and let's close this Excel that we brought up, and let's go to we want the chart selected. Let's go to the Format menu and Object, and let's click the Size tab, and let's change the 100% under for height under scale to 130 and OK, and that sizes it just about right. So now we can close Word and don't